Hello, friends. This is a powerful electric induction heater that is used to heat the pulleys, couplings, and bearings of giant motors and generators used in small and big industries. You can heat up to 100 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees, 500 degrees, or even 1,000 plus degrees Celsius in few minutes. This is the best electric induction heater to heat coils and bearings to fit easily on the motor's shaft. Here you can see the couple of a motor is being heated. This couple is 2.5 feet in diameter. These types of heaters are priced in thousands of dollars in the market. We made this heater using cheap materials and saved lots of money. Subscribe to NY Electric Workshop channel and learn to make an induction heater like this. My name is Mohammed Nazir. I'm an electrician and motor winding expert by profession. You can contact us for learning. Take care.